Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And today for Earphone Tuesdays, we're going to be unboxing and giving you a first impression or short review of this pair of wireless earbuds that have been sent to us by the brand bafuuy. So thanks to bafuuy for providing us with this review unit of the U-Air4 True Wireless Earbuds. This is a pair of wireless earbuds which is splash and sweat resistant, and more importantly offers up to 100 hours of usage on a single charge. That's obviously not just the earbuds but with the case. So the packaging is pretty simple. There's the cellophane covering, and then it highlights a few basic features that are on the packaging, such as stereo sound. You can use it for making phone calls. It has touch control, it's sweat proof, but more importantly it's got bassy audio, left or right or mono, and the 100 hours battery life. So I'm going to open the sleeve, or take the sleeve off the packaging, and it's pretty simple. There's very little in here, just the case with the earbuds. We'll get to that in a moment. It says accessories here, which is handy. It tells you what's in here. So we have a USB-A to USB Type-C cable. That's good to see, because if you're traveling and you have a modern smartphone that's not a fruity device, such as an Apple iPhone, you don't need to take a separate cable or charger. You'll be able to charge your earbuds with your phone charger. There's some extra earbud tips in different sizes, and some extra sports clamps that go on the side of the earbuds to make sure they have a snug fit and they don't get away. As well as this, we have a really quick setup guide which goes straight into your audio pairing setup, and a more complete, colourful, with colour images, walkthrough of the instructions on how to use these earbuds and how to set them up. So you've got the quick guide setup, but also a more complete one telling you how to use the touch controls, but more importantly reset them. Great. So we've had a look at what else is in the box. Now this is the earbuds themselves. This is a relatively heavy case compared to other devices in this product category that we've seen on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. So at the bottom you've got the usual stamps telling you what's going on the inside in terms of certifications and so forth. So pretty much everything you'd expect. I've just taken over the plastic cover here because one of the key features of this product is that it has a little indicator LED panel that tells you what the charge is of the case, but also if and how it is charging the earbuds themselves. So what we're going to do is set these up. And to do that, I'm going to use my Google Pixel 6 Pro. So I'm going to pull down my notification shade, turn on Bluetooth, long press on Bluetooth, and pair a new device. And we'll see it immediately here. U-Air4 is coming up. That's the name of these bafuuy earbuds. And it's asking for confirmation. And that's connected. So what I'm going to do is, as usual, go through using these earbuds for a few hours, making a video call to our Chief Aperture Officer, Lukash, and just getting them out. And then I'll be back giving you some first impressions of these bafuuy U-A4 earbuds, which are also available to purchase on Amazon. So for me it will be a little bit longer, but bear with me for a few moments. And if there is an ad, please do watch it and support Tech Travel Geeks by doing so. We'll be back in a moment. And so here we are, we're back. And as usual on Earphone Tuesdays here on Tech Travel Geeks, I'm giving our Chief Aperture Officer, Lukash, a quick call. Hey, Lukash.
Hey, Matteo, how's it going?
Good, thanks. How do I sound from the bafuuy U-Air4 earbuds? What's the microphone like at your end?
Yeah, it sounds alright. It's not the best we've heard, but it's decent. It won't, cause any issues. So if you're talking to anyone, it should be perfectly fine.
Yeah, and they fit really well in my earbuds, and they fit very snugly in with the sports clips that really wedge in nicely. And sound quality is pretty decent. Obviously, I haven't spent enough time listening to Kylie and Danny Minogue, but I will be able to pass judgment after having spent some quality time with that. And more importantly, the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube music playlist, which I usually use to try and find some imperfections with the sound range available on wireless earphones. Anyway, do you have any earbuds or earphones that you'll be covering in the coming days, Lukash?
Not soon, but I think I might need a new pair because I lost one of the Huawei earbuds in my car, and not sure if I'm gonna find it back. It might have fallen in a place I might not get it back, so I might be on the lookout for a new pair.
Oh no! So that's the second time you've lost a Huawei earbud, isn't it?
Yeah, but I've had them for like 2 years or something. So
Okay, fair enough.
we'll see.
We'll see. But in the meantime, hopefully our viewers are enjoying understanding what the microphones are like on the bafuuy UA4 earbuds. And to be fair, for less than £30 once you apply the current Amazon UK voucher to the product, it's not a bad buy. And I'll go over an extra feature in our wrap up. But for now, thanks, Lukesh. Speak to you soon. Bye.
Cheers.
And I'm back. Now, I've been using these earphones, the UA4 from bafuuy, for over a week now. What was supposed to be a quick check and first impressions turned into a week of heavy use. I've been using these earphones both for video calls, for work, for tech travel geeks, and calling friends and family, using smartphones, tablets, and my PC. And these have become my new favourite in-ear earphones, true wireless earphones. The reason for this is that they fit very comfortably in my ear, but more importantly, the battery life on them is astounding. The earbuds themselves seem to last for 4 to 5 hours in heavy use, both as microphones and earphones. And then the case itself seems to give it hundreds of hours of battery life. Now, as we saw, the packaging says that it's only 100 hours, but I've had more than 100 hours in this week out of the use of the case. And the reason for that is that this has a 2500 milliamp hour battery on the inside of the case. So not only can you charge the case with USB Type-C, but it also has a USB Type-A port, which means that you can use these earphones, the U-Air4 by bafuuy, to charge your phone if you need to top up your phone. And that's where the 100 plus hours of battery life come from. Now, overall, the earphones are comfortable, the default ones fit in my ears perfectly, and the case feels very solid, partially due to that weight that they come with. Now, okay, battery life is fine, but what is the other important side of things? Sound quality. To me, personally, the sound on this set of earphones, on the U-Air4 by bafuuy earphones, is very well rounded. It has a little bit of bass, but it has good overall sound performance to my ears. And listening to music such as Rick Astley and other classics is a pleasure. It really is good quality sound. So I have to say, top marks to this set of earphones. They're not a known brand, but the overall quality of sound, of battery life, and overall just experience using this set of earphones is very, very positive. So thanks to Bafuuy for sending us this review device. As I said, I've been using these for over a week now. I was planning on doing a Earphone Tuesdays video in one day, but that was obviously not enough, and I have truly fallen for this set of earphones. Now, just bear in mind, they are significantly bigger than other true wireless earbuds that you'd get in terms of the casing. So this is my Huawei FreeBuds 4i. They have, in this case, a much smaller case, but a lot shorter battery life. Whereas these ones not only have a nice digital indicator, the battery life is astounding, as I said. So, thanks to Bafuuy for sending us these review these review earbuds. We definitely recommend them here at Tech Travel Geeks. So rather than a first impressions, this is definitely a full review, and I'm comfortable saying that I can recommend these. So thanks for watching if you made it this far into this Earphone Tuesdays video. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories such as earphones, which we believe make the travel experience better. Anyway, for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.